If someone emails you a form to sign or a lease or an agreement, what's your default? Is your default, I need to print this out and then physically sign it, scan it, and then send it back? Because that is not necessary here in 2026, because you can do all of that directly on your iPhone. You can fill out a form, even add your signature, and send it right back. I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is find the form that you're doing this on. So I'm going to show you how to find it if you downloaded it to your phone, as well as if you got an email with it. So I'm going to take my finger and swipe down and type in Files. Tap on the Files app at the top left. Tap on Browse at the bottom right. You might need to tap on it a couple times. Tap on my iPhone. And then usually tap on Downloads. And there, as you can see, is a sample PDF. I can tap on it to open it up. Now, this is one way to access a PDF or something that you need to sign or fill out if you downloaded it from a web browser or an email or a message. You can see in here, I can start filling this out by tapping on the pencil with the little dots next to it at the bottom left. You can see now it is highlighted in blue. I can scroll down and it will automatically recognize the fields to start filling out. So here, for instance, under tenant, I can enter in Trevor Nace or just type it in. As well as if you instead wanted to sign that instead of print it, tap on the little plus at the bottom right, and then tap on Add Signature. And just like that, I can add a signature that is already saved, or I can tap on plus here, and then I can just sign whatever I want and hit the check mark. Just like that, it adds that signature that I can make bigger or smaller by pinching in or zooming out with my fingers, and then again, just moving it wherever I want. When you're ready to go, you can send that out just by tapping on the share icon at the bottom right. And then you can email it, text it, whatever you want from there. However, let's say instead of that, you got an email with it. It works slightly different, but mostly the same. Tap on the email with, again, this random lease. Tap on the PDF that you wanted to fill out. And now from here, you can see the three dots at the bottom left. Tap on that and tap on Form Filling. You can see it brings up a similar screen as before with that blue plus. Again, I can just tap on any of these text fields to start typing into them, or I can tap on the plus at the bottom right and either add my own text box if it doesn't recognize a field that you do want to add text, or I can go to Add Signature and again, just choose a default signature that I've already added. You can see on here, there's my signature. I can make it bigger or smaller, and I can take my finger and move it around wherever I want it. Again, when I'm ready, I can tap on the check mark, and it says reply to Trevor or send it as a new message or save to files. So really, you don't need to do anything else but manage it within that email. You can fill it all out and then just hit reply to that person, and it will send the new filled out or completed PDF over to that person. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.